To transfer eSIM from your Android phone into the iPhone 17 Pro Max, first of all on your iPhone open the settings, now scroll down for mobile service, click to set up mobile service, wait for the loading screen, and in the next screen we have to select transfer from Android. Now we have to click to continue, and now we have to just grab your Android phone, open the QR code scanner or the camera because some QR code scanner is not working properly on Android smartphones for some reason. And now just align with this frame the QR code over here. So I'm gonna put it here. Take a look, we have to scan this. Now as you can see on our Android smartphone, we can find this extension. So now you have to just open this one, and basically you have to just follow on screen instructions. So you will get on your Android screen information about the number that you want to select over here, like it's shown on the iPhone. Pick this one that you want to transfer and then click OK and follow on screen instructions. And that's quite simple as you can see.